What up, y'all? It's your girl Sim. You know, when you see me wear my little apron, you guys know what time it is. I'm doing a little extra today, you know. I'm in Florida. It's kind of a little cool outside. It's about maybe 71 degree or so. Don't laugh at me, you non-Floridan. Non-Floridians. So when it gets a little cool, you know, we pull out the boots, we pull out the little hat, you know, we just try to, you know, show out a little bit. But anyway, enough of that. I'm gonna be talking about some good breakfast idea this today. So what's on the menu today? Let's see. I have omelet, simple omelet. So in less than 3 minutes, you can make yourself a delicious veggie omelet. So, enough of the talking. Let's get right to it. So, let's see what we have here. So, I'm starting off with a little broccoli because you can't do vegetable omelet without having a little broccoli in it. So, what I do to like kind of push start this, I just put my broccoli in the microwave for about 1 minute. You don't have to do that. You can do it on the stovetop as well. So, here I'm adding a little butter. You can easy on the butter if you can't, if you know, you just can't do butter like that, or just buy the type of butter that works for you. This is Smart Balance, and that's all I use. So here I have some mixed veggies, like mixed seasoning, like onion, green onion, you know, all that goodie, whatever you want in your veggie omelet. I'm just using 2 eggs. Hey, if you're an egg person, use 3 or 4 because this omelet is delicious. So I'm just sauteing the veggies here, and I'm adding the broccoli. This is like my pre-steam 1 minute in the microwave broccoli. Yes, I am sauteing them together. And yeah, if you hear, you should smell it. It smells so good. So for my egg, I add a little it's seasoning salt, garlic salt, I should say, and a little black pepper. For you, if you want just salt and pepper, that's fine. It's still gonna be delicious. And here I am adding some spinach. Listen, if you're a spinach person, yes, do not make your veggie omelet without spinach. All right, so let's see what's going on here. So I'm just sauteing everything together, and boom, it's time to add the egg. Simple. This is like what, less than 2 minutes. So keep watching. So I'm just being a little fancy here. You can just use a fork and mix your egg, but I like to be extra, so I just use my little fancy whatever I see online. I just purchase them. All right, so my egg is ready, all mixed up. So right now I am adding the egg to the veggie. Smells so good. All right, let's see. Yeah. So right here, I'm just kind of spreading the egg. I'm spreading it across so that I can get a big omelet because I'm greedy. I want a big omelet. So now it's like time for the flip. If you have a wide spatula, it will work for this. If you don't have one, try to get yourself one if you're gonna make these type of omelets. All right, so I'm just gonna push it all the way on and give it that big flip. Yay! So that there goes the big flip. All right, so while the other side is cooked, what I'm doing is I'm preparing my cheese to just kind of spread the cheese. If you don't want to do cheese, it's okay. It's okay. It's still gonna taste good. So I'm adding my cheese here, and then I'm just going to flip it. Not all the way, but kind of just make that omelet, like, you know, kind of make that taco look. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's the omelet. It's all done. Less than 3 minutes, honestly. And you know, I'm gonna eat mine with some fried dumplings. I mean, you can eat your omelet just like that. You can eat it with whatever you want, but I chose fried dumpling, and it was delicious. If you want to see how I make these delicious fried dumpling, leave a comment below. Just request what you guys want to see me cook. You know I love the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all of my social media platforms. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your omelet, and see you in the next video.